Chinga chingia na ndo mwancho murire Ndizi TV na bwo bwansu bwo mugusie kerokoro kwege na kware no gendrete kwego kyaso kubwate mirobiri yonsi ya Ndizi TV na bwo obwansu bwo mugusi charagire Chinsa Isato cyabona mugoroba chinga kingo kwariganya SMS Amayia iriyo nkumanyenara ya na kwariganire asenchira ere yobwekirano litangana kegi matigatara nyore gatiari nkwariganire tie asenchira yobwenge
wako yuaraire ase kwetera gwako nerigena twakone family twanyori osiririo bugima bwaya
omuntu oyo mogosirio bugima magega yo kuwero nerigena se warense moya makairo meye county ya Nyamira
abantu abakenya power we are giving them money we are supposed to get services ngai nkibako garabako chabaruise transformer itanga ni baire transformer batari ko replace transformer
tuachandekire mono ne stima na indengwa kana tore chibesa ne kerero kya babenyi bege sekero bagoteba bachandekira sege kegetambe
clear that ANC party will remain a party doing its activities independent but within the coalition.
Omobunge bwebunge ya imwaya umboko milemba nerebono murikyo monena sekia makia ANC asate birekia mekyo nigo gego chugotigara yetenerete korende kere ase obomo bwa Kenya kwanza. Ayamuna enda mango mwancho muri ringo kwarigani ringo manya senchera ere yobwekirano asensemo ya Facebook gendera gotonyora wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News asomutandao Twitter nabo gotitwetera @Ndizi TV News boigona bogo sage kerengerero kyao wetera se namba era se screen ireteria ne Everline Osero keroto kubwatira na nere Joshua Auta kwene kyabuna wekeire asensemo yebimanyerero to kwarigani to yachake asenchera ere yobwekirano awase umusacho yomo ayene kiwago ya obogima bwaya ne yamagaga yoko werwa nerigena ase EGWARE ya makairo ebunge ya West Mugrango ime county ya Nyamira achingaki arenke merumo yaye yoko ya amagena ayaniga ene kiwanu mugambi we Chinseme Chio George Magata oyobo igobaga gukwanira igoro ye parembe asenseme yo yotariweteka yendata wana nigoge kwa abana inchi chingongu na kuboria serikali kwene kyabuna ngoso eregati na kubaroseria epareyo
mugambi church magata oyo korumongolisi lakini nje ngokora assess application ya ibucha gwetera batureti bane ibona nyole report buno yomo okoreme kware rocha unyare kobaga gusirio bogima esengencho rigena ria mugwera bono tuachana abasikari baito bakurukia mbere ikana nyora pali ejo erinde tuacha ko tuwa gusutia twanyorira maene nabo mugako yuaraire ase kwetera gwako nerigena igono tole twakone family twanyori osiririo bugima bwaya niga obwete kobwe pareye nabo borobo konge kora bana inchi mpatakiri ko banga ase pare gekora chinga kichine chimbe mono na bwete ko kuno bwe gari mboko bagekora na bari bale babate chai mboni bale mete igobono ga nara konguna twatakanga serikali ire chinga kikia bwangu asaba nto bali bagosikana department yepara etubwatisia soko tokolero
abamenyi bensemo ya egesa asumuchyo Kisii ni goritkoria rero besoke na gokorobekana askire bakwe murunganirio muchando bwestima asenseme yokorengana na barabwege kayechi kibere bono nigo banyorire muchando bwestima uyo eyego chari mugose kabere ase wiki asikeria bakomochia company yechinguru cyumuriro ya KPLC na oteba buna nigo bakorusia transformer senseme yokorende tibari kwirania nabona nigo babere bakwe murunganya so oteba nigo bawakana pesa korene tibamanyeti naseki bawetera chingongu asamangana ye chinguru cyumuriro muri ketonde mo Stephen naikirana sayo nago twarganirira robot rwa senchera yobwikirano
Emambia ya rero omorembe ni gotuguterwa re Chinsemo chiegesa nyatie ko ward asamenyi babwato moichano barobekana askeri bagoteba no kuborwa gwechinguru cyomoriro kya KPLC asege kegetambe enseme yuo
problem yestime yabeire embe amatuka amage sio leo peke yake Ritanga nigera overloaded. Ego chagatate week. Igo toko boliga. Abantu aba Kenya Power. We are giving them money. We are supposed to get services. Ngai nkiba ko garabago chabaru ise transformer. Itanga ni baire transformer batari ko replace transformer eri akabere. Abantu marabaru arete maruere mana echisukari. Amarioga aba aresi fridge. Asare kire. Omotakete tokwe.
Ekero bako to trade bako to chande kabire magosa kitokorete na rwata yo tateminga inki tuwena to kora tumanye kora tabiste maga to kore ki wiki berenga gorete bichuchu 250 entikarte bichuchu 60 bio kabya kure sasa uri estima chindaga to abega to friki me jasare kire bona ekero to ikiraga iga magosa kia mo direct okenya pamba matenga mboko nkyo to gwetera sabantu barba kyo bisiabo chinyumba abantu banganyire Kenya Power ne matenga ebine biasara to gwakana
ukobora ko umuriro nigo kwa virus arene na segati yabo bairere mechando baeteire yuera muno boncholie kwenda inse enseme yuyegesa
twatande kirestimeye moroje bune ntwa bangine tukija sare kire motuo abangina batande kira bakabaita chinda ruchekira twanya kwa lastima abane torwale totogotume kama lyogo tifuriti bana ndiko kwa kasi etoko bona ne gavana yaito simbarati bakitororera mare
Amayia sara kire ndabera ntorikora bere bituma tobwata karakine ne tokwana tinga ngobono toko saba abaminto abali bateneta mangana Kenya Power twabasorora barenge kuancha
ukugani kwabo na se kiombe gya KPLC konyara kuveka chi transformer chinkongu nemebelie meikirano era koroburabu boiranegesa
wana na ko bodia ba director Kenya Power toira ne liango e transformer na ndo to transformer nene e gosabwa abantu begesa because na bange tore and we are very good customers to waka no una tore ngabana to kwa na Kenya Power offices tudai haki yetu turudishwe transformer
wagetiwe etatakwa twasabire se Kenya Power directors bamanyanga magosa kyari kiyo bisiabo egekogera twachandekire bona chiminto bwati abaibo tukoga abato chandre
abamenyi bense benigo bengente buna simba neta kwende wekera boniga nigo chita chiabo chiremete wetera matuka itani richi wikibere asoko boli kwa bana sekiombe gya Kenya Power and Lightning Company KPLC kunyara kubaira ne richi nguru chiomolero ko reporter ya Ndizi TV ko ruensemo ya Egesa County ya Kisii area tariane Ndemo Steven
Mia mono muriketo Ndemo Stephen ase oraboti ururu ikiranu kubatkana netse yechigendrete koine kiwa usoko ngusana na ase county Nyamira ne county ya Kisii akobwatkana ne chimbebe ose chinseme chiwente ko base county ya Chibere nigo bona bagaka kurwa sensemo ya Masaba North bakora wana John Mogere babere bawe sokia na KOGIKERIGWA CHISEGI echo achi abachi koine kiwa ase matukabwango iga ane na sensemo ya KEROKA nigo bona baganiriye abantane bari bamenyete ase urubebe wa Kisii na Nyamira kwene kyo murembe nakoba abatoereru chingaki serikali egenderete kurigereria enganeye na kugaya na murikeito job mangi norbotiuru
amatuko abwango iganigo kungusana na kwarakanire koba aroro igoro yechimbebe egatie county Nyamira na Kisii anene mono astisegi chiaba chikoene kigwa ensemo yomochie okeroka
goons county officials from Kisii County Sungusunga and everyone, they came to KEROKA. They removed a barrier which is erected by the county government of Nyamira.
Alia KEROKA. Hiyo sio vizuri. Kila mtu angalie boundary yake akae kwake.
Etureti yabagaka kuruase county enke ya Masaba North egotoka ase bunge tutu Masaba bakura unomunyakerogobo John Mogere nigo bagikeri CHISEGI echyo
inche kuna yago saba intuna wa Masaba North mwaso tumetanga na KEROKA ana yago saba aba minto babe komorembe
lakini enjireri okobogori bibago tosegeta abana nabamura bajage kurwana yento buneki ntoko gyanja lakini tutagete haki yaito neba buna bono naigwete ekero mugabano Kisii ari gokwaniranga eri nigere common land yes nigere common land lakini rimanyikane tinga keroro bezere yege belongeri tu Nyamira
na another common lands na jiro belong to Kisii.
Mbate abanyigo bakwa okoboko igitambo kerokeri tune county ya Nyamira kugania ekoti kurwa ogochika igoro yokobago gweti mbebe kyo
omugabano ito nabo no mo MCA ito mugabano ito Amos Nyalibo asenge nchonga yo babwatetie njerere ngiya eyina into totagete buna bakaji bakeroka buna bajete ekoti totagete ekoti yamwe.
Mbate bambachiko sika OKONACHA gwe court igorengane yaretire obotantanu
ngenge court nere kwa Murisha Land Commission etoma basabai KEROKA babeki pikoni igira eto ere boundary rero lekane ebe permanent bisigi binyakwera
asebasaba omorembe koba aroro egachabo menye bare asoro bebirwe county Nyamira na Kisii
ekomarebe kumurangi nombiarire nonkinerete bona injendo chinga nomigano abantu abakumiyoka kurweze barura nonsi bacha kurwanira so buri mubwaito no mubea no tunyomete mubea no banyomete seitu turobwa amatobuya togo tusikaine tokoena nage kerengencho igo engencho mugabano itakwana nero tugwenete tubwatie omorembobe amasikani yache munakonya tusikaine
kurwa se county Nyamira ginko reported ya Ndizi TV Job Maangi
Mbia mwana omori keito Job Maangi ase oroboti ururikiranu omobunke onyari bari masaba Daniel Manduku ni goritkorera baga kumirana naborokia kurwa se ebunge yo unenche moyo kubairanira mbuya asobokoreri bwabo bagenderete kurwa bwo kworokereria nigo boigo abaga kurira yo gocha kubasira alene oso kubabekerense mo chishiringi emilioni eyemo aniga yakwana ase skuru ya St Charles Lwanga ichuni ase boigo muri kibwe kyombe ya Kupet Joseph Abinja baga kurwo kubore cya serikali agokomentwa kwechibesa usemesara ase abarokia bunenjire ya moyo kuba moyo irigo ikirania obokoreri burubyo muri keito Mildred Mumanyi noroboti uru
Goyaba omogoko monene asabali mubonsi imeye bunge nyali bali masaba county ya Kisii haso kurangirirwa egekaro amono mubunge bwenseme yo Dr. Daniel Manduku iliogosangiria ebirengererio amona magani abo asensemo yichisemi egentu getanya okore kalinde imeye bunge yo gokwana imeye skuru ya baisike ya St Charles Lwanga ichuni nigo Manduku atebabuna nachikubwatirana amona balimu abaibuli amona baraibense yo eliogosukia chisemi imenyali bali masaba asarache kubasegeta asokuba ebyegwa abalimu bali barachiko kolya buya eliokuba omoyo aseboigo abeka chisiringi emilioni yemo yo morobolyo yo
okubona bali boito ngatukwatira namo abaibuli nabaibande elinde tukini chisemi kenya bali Odo na bari mo hanga kiwa korega singi kabire weka baye woma oyo kabia ngapara kikanga sa yani ko tena ya na ngi chipese bi ile plus motivation kit asi school jo korabia dekile ge tsara ko korake ro wanga ko zara tuseransa to akesa ko ri oyo korabia orande go oyo kuesa bani hai.
We focus on primary school infrastructure. We complete projects teachers agato mojume machogo lakini imiake yevere to focus on primary schools, new roofing, new floors, painting, so that our children have decent environment in the classroom.
Omoteneri bw'ekyombe gya Kupet Kisii Joseph Abinja nigo asabire serikali gwakana abalimu bali abamageti amatemwa asomwa kweta aseboigo agikele chingwana chae omorai bwense Dr. William Ruto buna abakolie emirimo ba serikali mbachikona chwa ekerango geisato kyomosarobo egento getarwa abairabuya ensemo yabo buna abalimu.
I also want to appeal to the government. The 3% levy that they wanted to tax our teachers, let them make 30% for salary increment. So that teachers, what they want is salary increment is not a deduction. Sure. So our CPA, as it was spelled out, last time we got an non-mandatory CPA. This time around we want them to make that 3% to be 30% so that our teachers can get at least something to take home and be able to do others. And up to now, we went as we requested. Our leaders, we want serious reforms also to our Kenya National Examination Council, whereby our teachers are really suffering under that council. because we don't have proper guidelines. Seriously, our teachers, since they manned those examinations, have not been paid to date, and we are not sure whether the money was released or not.
Ato mutiniliwe kiombegea na tinigo akwanera emechandeliwa gwetera no kugani kwabo gocha ase serikali.
We have challenges ranging from shortage of teachers in our schools. We have challenges facing our junior secondary school teachers because there are not enough teachers in our junior secondary schools. So as Kenya National Union of Teachers, we want more teachers to be employed.
I am appealing to the government. The other CBA was so much, it was almost empty. We were given 4 months maternity leave. And to be honest, empty pocket plus maternity leave, they don't work.
Kuripotelea egetaseni kia Ndizi TV, leteliane Mildred Momanyi.
Mbia mono Mildred Momanyi ase oroboti orure kiranto gotikana nayo nigo umuraibense Dr. William Samoei Ruto agendrete koene kiamuna nigo ba uchokobwatara nane chinse au erio koruania ogoseko koene kiamuna nkobe kabare umurembe asense ya Sudan kobwatikana nichise yechigendrete koene kiwa ase chinse mecho anene koene kiamuna aba Kenya abubareme ya Sudan babeire bagokonyeka ukwana ayaniga yakwana ase nyumba yobura ya State House memucho Nairobi chingaki baumirana omuriki munene korwa sense ya UN Antonio Guterres oyobo igo obaga kogokire getambukiro yense ya Kenya yokobwatana ase okubeka omurembe.
And we are making an offer that in our region, the Horn of Africa and the Great Lakes, we continue to face many crises and natural calamities. Kenya, in collaboration with other member states, regional organizations, and the UN, provides political leadership towards resolving some of these very complex challenges. I call upon the leadership of the UN to strengthen the United Nations office in Nairobi to effectively extend its services to the global south. We already demonstrate this goodwill in the ongoing renovation of the Union Blocks A to J, and we hope that upon completion, the state-of-the-art complex will be an iconic model at the status of other UN headquarters in the global north, improving the delivery of its programs.
We, as United Nations, we have not the power, the Secretariat and agencies, and we have not the resources to change these things. But one thing you can be absolutely sure, we will be at your side. We will be together with the Global South, fighting for a world that is more based on justice, on fairness, a world where all women and men can have access to the same opportunities.
Ababwatani kurwase obomo bwazimio la umoja wa Kenya nigo baganire chingwa na gati yabo ne serikali gokorekana segeka kiamatuko emeronke tatoka kurwa chinga kichogo chaka ukwana nabariki memucho Nairobi nigo baigo baganire bali babete bakobekwa byara kurwase umurengo yoazimio la umoja wa Kenya babe bako siborwa asinonya na batere na weka bagendere kubwatani aba Kenya airo ko iwe birengerero yabo kubwatkana ne chingwa nicho chirachiye gokorekana.
Are not interested in power sharing with Kenya Kwanza, or what the so-called nusu mkate. In fact, our position remains that Kenya Kwanza is an illegitimate regime that is in power through a civilian coup. We will continue with our engagements with other people through town hall meetings and other avenues to continue educating our people on the issues as our delegates engage in the talks. As we said yesterday, we will not hesitate to resort to alternative measures at the slightest indication of lack of goodwill and honesty on the side of Kenya Kwanza.
Togotana nayo nigo umuwaziri w'ekisemi Ezekiel Machogu abeirega kwenekia buna serikali teriko chikobwatuka chibesa gochiase eki university chitari echi serikali askiri atere na chibesa echo nigo chirachi kobwatokwa ase eki university chi serikali chiri anene chibwate oburemeru oyaniga yakwana chinga kikira nabo si obwe kamati eteneta mangana y'ekisemi ase ebunkenene asate babuna serikali nigera chigotigara no musimamo bwo kugendera gokonya eki university Okonya boroki wa kwegenderera bya asamasomo abo.
Funding and financial programs. There is also the issue of governance, there is the issue of management, which as a ministry we are also trying to deal with, so that we get the correct and the right men and women in the university councils. We get the right vice chancellors who will also be undertaken through the necessary training in management, so that we get it right. We have decided as follows, that any student, any parent will make a choice of the university that he wants to go. If you choose Nairobi University, for example, you want to do medicine, you have an A, you will be able to know the fees structure of Nairobi University, fee, my university, which is also offering the same course medicine, so that you go to that particular university.
It is very clear that we have capacity in our universities, and when we say we leave it for students to choose between private and public, then it just means we are at the same spot. Yes. We are in the same position and we're in the same spot.
Omubunge bwebunge ya emuhayo mboko milemba nigobona achorirwe koba omurikyo monene bw'ekyama ky'Amani National Congress milemba niga kambia asaba bwatani b'ekyamekyo asokumwegena na komochora eriko goseko mwari bagerio ase ali irayo gochiakorwa obokoreri borobo ikiranu asokubwatirana na barayibande nigaine kyabuna ekyamekyo kya ANC niyo kirachigotigara yetenerete akurendekere ase obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza asate abaigomna nigo barachku merana na baraibe kyamekyo korwase Chinsa ya Chionsi eriogo kwanera emerobere bwenerate ase ogokinya na korwa bakoreri boigire oboikiranu.
Clear that ANC party will remain a party doing its activities independent but within the coalition of Kenya Kwanza. Number two, we have also resolved that we shall undertake revamping of the party. And to revamp the party, beginning tomorrow, we shall be organizing to meet all the organs of the party in their totalness, and also after that, we shall then move to meet all the branch leadership around the country.
Omoyega bwa masabo yokubaenia aboroki wa batano nomo beskuru ya banyaruka ya mbihi igotoka ime county ya Vihiga nigo korekana ritko rero abo babwatranetwe ase omubasokano bwepara uyobete gokorekana chikibere chietre asensemo ya Naivasha ime county ya Nakuru abarai ao nigo baikirana ase omoyogoyo abo baichanera ogokwa kwa boroki wabo na monokoborio gosekuru kobori ochiase omuwaziri bwe tamangana yo bosombi wechpara kwene kyabunangu beka balemero berio eyera konye aso gotanga gosegokeania emebasukano ase chipara.
The cabinet secretary in charge of transport hii maneno kusema ati amefunga magari ya shule kuanza sijui masaa ngapi kufika sijui that is not going to happen. This accident didn't happen at night. It happened around, I don't know, 11, 12 there. So it was not at night. So it's not a question of the time of the day. It's the question of enforcement. It's a question of enforcement.
The Ministry of Education, in consolidation with that one of Transport, do create an inquiry into what happened. Both here and Mukumu, and even Bihi, where we are losing our kids on the road. Sababu saa zile mtoto anaipeleka mtoto shule anatarajia huyu mtoto atamsaidia baadaye. Mimi nataka kuhimiza Wakenya wote wenye wako na magari waangalie vizuri mambo ya drivers.
wapatie drivers wenye wako qualified magari ya kuendesha ili tusipate janga kama hii. Anasema hii kwa sababu najua wiki ijayo watoto wanafungua mashule na wanarudi kwa mashule.
No mwarioye umurandia Ezekiel Odero uyo konye utangire ni gabaka kubwato kwa ase kashbeli chilingi emilioni $1.5 ni kigambiro kia shanzu ime umucho Mombasa nigo kiaba usenigo yabo mugoko gucyase ababwatani ba Ezekiel awase abange babo beso kyana wikira nabo syo wikigambire kyo eriyo gocengera obusibure bwaye.
Specific arms of the government, all, including the police, the courts, the prosecution, everybody are bound by it, and that includes the prosecution. So today they come to court and tell you that they want to ensure that the respondent here today stays in for 30 days. But they forget one thing. Compelling reasons must be proved.
Yeah, so you'll be informed by the court assistants at 2:30.
Omonogeri bwe bungene ne Moses Wetangula nigo omoerioye aruro OKONACHA wogo tarusi wabuna omo deputy minority whip kwa Sabina Chege muroberio echinga kibona agendrete gotegerera chinga ki abarayikorwa se obomo bwa Azimio la Umoja One Kenya baba bakogania Sabina Chege korusi wa ase kirogekyo asekere bagateba babuna nigo atabwenereti nonya nabo Wetangula niga bagani abateba bunati babwateti ibitambukiro bisaine nabo igokorwa chingenjo chiwenerete asate bobno baire egeka kyamatuko M23 eriyo babe bakoreta chingencho chiwenerete nabayo kubwati bitambukiro ibwenerete erinde bachigotegerera igoro yo kurusiwa kwa Sabina Chege.
Honorable members, Standing Order 2 defines a parliamentary party as a party recognized by the Speaker as a parliamentary party pursuant to Standing Order 20A, recognition of parliamentary parties and designation of leaders and whips. Standing Order 20A1 provides that the Speaker shall recognize a party or coalition of parties consisting of not less than 5% of the membership of the National Assembly as a parliamentary party. Honorable members, 5% of the membership of the National Assembly is 18 members. From the records that the House has and the Speaker's office has, the membership of the Jubilee Party in the National Assembly comprises 28 members. 28. In this regard, and pursuant to Standing Order 2, and that I hereby grant the minority party a period of 30 days from today within which to convey appropriate communication on the replacement of its minority whip if it wishes. 3. That whereas the Jubilee Party meets the threshold to be recognized as a parliamentary party pursuant to Standing Order 20A1, I am hesitant to invoke this provision given the myriad correspondence received from the party with respect to its leadership and persons authorized to communicate on its behalf to the Speaker. I also give them a similar time to put their house in order. Honorable members, I take this decision conscious of the fact that as your Speaker, my duty is to uphold the Constitution, any law, and the standing orders to the extent to which they relate to the management of the business of the House. It's not the duty.
Mwancho muliyere banaya narana kwariganirete asemesa Amayia Chinsa Isato asenchera ereyo wikirano wakira ngambia mono asogochora ko bananchi wikomerio bari twabwatirana kwenekya mangana wikira asenchera yo wikirano na barabuni gonko bakira ngambia mono nyora muna semero berionsi ya Ndizi TV na bakogendera gotonyora sensemere ya Facebook wetera Ndizi TV News Digital asensemo ya YouTube Ndizi TV News aso mutandao Twitter @Ndizi TV News boigo ekerengerere kyao na bogosanga na into wetera senamba se screen yao kukonelia obuligere burobya asemero berionsi ya Ndizi TV na bobwansu bo Gusii chinga kichonsi eriatariane Everline Osero ulitwabwatirana nere kwenekia awikira sensemo imanyerero nigakoro kwa Auta na boigo John Kebati uyone kyabuna chibichanerio gichi awikire asenchira yabene twaro obuligere burobya na boigo ubutko burobotoireru